Do you want to make money online? Would you like to learn to promote Digistore24 products? In this video, you will learn exactly how to do this, step by step. Start earning affiliate commissions, just like this. Okay, stick to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you're going to make $85,000 running one campaign with one product. Okay, $85,000. Stick to the end of the video. Here we are in Digistore24. Digistore24 is a platform that has affiliate marketing offers. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and getting a commission. Okay, you're going to get a commission. You're going to promote products. You're going to get a commission, just like any other salesman. Okay, so you're going to come to Digistore24.com up here, okay, Digistore24.com, and register. Very easy to register. We're going to go over and register now. And it's very simple. You pick a username, you fill out all of this stuff. They don't ask you any kind of crazy questions. They don't ask you for your social security number, nothing. Okay, so you become a member of Digistore24. Okay, then you go and you search Digistore24. You go to the marketplace. Okay, go to the marketplace. Here we are in the marketplace. Now over here on the side, let me move over here. Over here on the side are niches. Okay, they're going to subdivide all the products into niches. Now, a niche is simply an interest. It's an audience. It's a market. It's somebody that you can market to. Could be anything. Could be, here we go, let's look. There's animals and pets, there's betting systems, there's business and investments, there's computer and internet, there's dance and music. So whatever your niche is, if you're an influencer, if you have a social media, if you're on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and you have a niche audience, let's say in animals and pets, well, you would search there and get your product from there, okay? Or if you're in exercising, you would be looking at fitness and health. You already have an audience on this platform, be it Instagram, be it Facebook, be it TikTok, whatever it is. It could be YouTube. You have a niche audience, and you look for your niche over here. Okay, so we're just going to pick a product to promote. We're going to pick the number one product here. Okay, now their commissions, earnings for this product is $137. So every time you sell one of these products, you're going to earn $137. Okay, so what is this? It doesn't really matter what it is, because we're not going to worry about the niche, okay, that we're in. But what you're looking for is down here. They have a sales page, right? Now they've spent all their time creating a sales page that converts, so you don't have to worry about it. Part of being a digital marketer and the holdback is all the way of building all of these sales pages that convert. You don't have to worry about that. They've done that already. Okay, as a matter of fact, their cart conversion rate is 28%. So you're going to send traffic to their sales page and it converts at 28%. And at 28%, you're going to earn $137. Okay, so this is a really good product. Okay, this is the sales rank is 1. Okay, and they have an affiliate support page. Affiliate support page is very important as well. Okay, what they're going to have on the affiliate support page, it's going to have what tags to use, unique hooks, start promoting, where to promote, build your link, email swipes, okay, questions and creatives. Creatives are images, stuff, GIFs, freaking videos sometimes. They have copy for emails, for ads, okay. You can, depending on the product, they have better support. Okay, you got to look for a product that has good support and things that will help you to support to promote the product. All right. So, how much money can you make? Okay. Now, I said 28%. So, whatever your traffic source is. Now, if your traffic source is Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Could be Google ads, could be YouTube, could be Facebook ads, could be a Facebook group, could be free traffic, could be paid traffic. Whatever it is, we're going to drive 1,000 visitors to this site. Okay, now we said that it converts at 28%, 0.28. That means you're going to make 280 sales. Now, depending on the type of traffic you're sending, this could be a day, this could be a weekend, this could be a month, depending on the traffic and niche and the volume. There's a lot of variables there, but the hard part's already done. All you have to do is drive the traffic. So you're going to make 280 sales, but over here it says there's a cancellation rate of 5%. Okay, so 280. Okay, and we said we're going to have a cancellation rate of 5%. So we're going to times that by 0.05. It's 14. So we're going to minus 280 minus 14 is 266. So we're getting 266 sales, and we said we're going to get $137 per sale. $36,000. Okay, so that's driving 1,000 visitors to that site, because they're telling you 28% of what you're driving, 28% is going to convert. That's proven. They've done it over and over again with tests and split tests and all kinds of marketing, and so they've got it down to 28% conversion. Drive the traffic there. The cancellation rate, the return rate is 5%. Okay, so you're going to have some, that's being real. They're showing you really what's happening. Okay, you're going to have some returns that, you watch these other videos, they don't talk about returns. A lot of these products, you think you're making all this money, and then all of a sudden you get all the returns, 30 days. That's just a quick showing you one product on Digistore24. With Digistore24, you got to search your niche on the side. Okay, whatever your niche is, we find a niche, you find a hobby. Maybe you have a hobby and interest. Maybe you do a sport. Maybe you have a profession. Maybe you're a plumber. Maybe you're a doctor. Maybe you're a lawyer. Maybe you can give advice. Maybe you do relationships. There's all kinds of niches. Okay, and the 3 evergreen niches. Now, an evergreen niche is something that doesn't go out of style, something that's always in demand, and that's health, wealth, and relationships. So, your health, your diet, your weight loss, your muscle, your weight, your bodybuilding, your exercising, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, your wealth, make money online, making money with investments, making money with Bitcoin and all that kind of stuff. All right, and of course relationships, making people love you and fall in love, and how to handle stuff, and how to make how to be good in relationships, and whatever else they do in relationships. Right. So those are the 3 evergreen niches, but it doesn't mean to stick to those, because if you have an audience, you have to find. This is the thing. You find an audience. You find out what that audience needs, and you give them the product that they need to fill the problem that they have, and you'll be a successful affiliate marketer. It's that simple. Okay, watch some of my other videos, subscribe to the channel. I have traffic videos on where to get traffic, how to get free traffic, how to do paid traffic. Subscribe. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, but I piqued your interest and you want to learn more, there's a course, takes about an hour to get through, down in my description. And link, take the number one reason why you're not going to make any money. If you want to know why you're not going to make any money, because lack of action. You're not going to do anything. Okay, do something. Okay, it's not hard. Commit. Do it. Okay.